AI is making significant strides in the gaming industry, but it doesn't necessarily signal the end of traditional game development. Instead, AI is becoming a powerful tool that enhances and complements the work of game developers. Here's how AI is reshaping the gaming industry and what it means for the future of game development. 1. Procedural content generation. AI can generate vast amounts of game content, such as levels, characters, and environments, procedurally. This allows developers to create richer and more diverse game worlds without manually designing every element. For example, AI algorithms can generate random dungeons in a roguelike game, ensuring that each playthrough offers a unique experience. 2. Enhanced NPC behavior. AI can make non-player characters, NPCs, more intelligent and responsive. Instead of following predefined scripts, AI-powered NPCs can adapt to player actions, learn from interactions, and provide more realistic and engaging gameplay. This leads to more immersive and dynamic game experiences. 3. Personalized gaming experiences. AI can analyze player behavior and preferences to tailor the gaming experience to individual players. This includes adjusting difficulty levels, recommending in-game content, and providing personalized challenges. This ensures that players remain engaged and satisfied with the game. Game testing and quality assurance. AI can automate the testing and quality assurance process, identifying bugs and performance issues more efficiently than human testers. AI-driven testing tools can simulate millions of gameplay scenarios, ensuring that the game is thoroughly tested before release. 5. Art and animation. AI can assist in creating art assets and animations, reducing the time and effort required for these tasks. For example, AI-powered tools can generate realistic textures, animate characters, and create visual effects, allowing artists to focus on more creative and high-level tasks. 6. Voice and speech recognition. AI can enhance voice acting and speech recognition in games, enabling more natural and interactive dialogues between players and NPCs. This can lead to more immersive storytelling and engaging gameplay experiences. 7. Player support and moderation. AI can provide real-time player support and moderation in online games. AI-powered chatbots can assist players with in-game issues, while AI-driven moderation tools can detect and address toxic behavior, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable gaming environment. 8. Game design assistance. AI can assist game designers by providing insights and recommendations based on player data and behavior. This can help designers make informed decisions about game mechanics, balancing, and content updates. While AI is transforming the gaming industry, it is not replacing traditional game development. Human creativity, storytelling, and artistic vision remain essential components of game design. AI serves as a valuable tool that enhances and streamlines the development process, allowing developers to create more engaging and innovative games. In conclusion, AI is not the end of traditional game development, but rather an evolution that empowers developers to push the boundaries of what is possible in gaming. By embracing AI, the gaming industry can continue to innovate and deliver unforgettable experiences to players. What are your thoughts on the role of AI in the gaming industry? Do you think it will enhance or hinder creativity in game development?